Okay, today is National Fried Chicken Day, and in Hawaii, Popeyes has the five-piece ALC. I think that's all leg chicken. On the menu, it's $9, but when they ring you up, it's only $5. So they have a limit, though. If you go through the drive-thru, you can only get one piece of chicken. But if you go inside and stand in line, you can get one piece per person. And they're slammed pretty hard in Aiea right now, or Waimalu, across from Neil Blaisdell Park. And they got confused. And they gave me one extra. So I got 20 pieces for $15. $10 ring up for $15 inside, and then one more on the drive-thru. So get there by 10 o'clock, I think, for Waimalu store, Aiea store. But I think Waipahu is open to 11. Not sure about Kapolei. And I imagine Kapahulu is probably open to 11 too. Okay, guys. Navy Exchange is going to close early. All right. Oh, also, I always upgrade to breast for $1 more. That $1 upgrade doesn't work. Okay. Happy chicken, everybody. Aloha. Thanks for watching.